Today, we will reveal a completely new band sawmill that Jonas and his team at the R&D department at Logosol has been working on for the last couple of years.
Yeah, it's been a fun challenge and we're really proud to show you what we have created here today.
Here we go! 3, 2, 1! Okej, men vi kör ett snitt.
Jajamän.
Nice, that looked really good.
Yes, it works incredibly well. And we have tested this sawmill with many challenging logs and it has been cutting perfect every time.
Sounds amazing. Now Karin and Magnus will talk to you about the amazing features this sawmill has to offer.
We are so happy and proud about our new band sawmill, and it's our first band sawmill in aluminum, and we're looking forward to start to sell it to our customers. What do you think about it, Karin?
I totally agree with you, Magnus. Even if this is Logosol's smallest band sawmill, it can handle logs up to 70 centimeters. It's really sturdy and gives you straight cuts board after board, year after year.
The B701 is true Swedish quality, with maintenance-free and smart design.
The Logosol B701 is the best band sawmill in its price class, built to deliver precision, reliability and power with every cut. With the B701, we combine the best experiences and innovations from both our band sawmills and chainsaw mills. In our opinion, we built a machine that's stronger, smarter and better looking than other competitors on the market. By keeping manufacturing in our own factory in Sweden and working with trusted suppliers, we have created a robust and reliable sawmill at a price that really shouldn't be possible. B701 is a sawmill no one else has managed to build at a price that offers unbeatable value.
We have built a sawmill that should be the first choice for anyone who appreciates sawing their own lumber.
This is an extremely robust sawmill that brings the best features from our other machines. We are very proud of the B701. It's stable, well designed and packed with clever features that we know our customers will appreciate.
This makes heavy logs an easy task. With a robust, torsion-resistant log bed, the sawmill remains stable during both loading and rotation, ensuring consistent, high-quality results every time. Its rigid saw head guarantees stable sawing, while the lightweight yet strong frame is crafted from anodized aluminum and selected Swedish steel. This combination we have used for over 30 years in our trusted chainsaw mills. With precise height adjustment in millimeter increments, the sawmill delivers the accuracy you need for perfect cuts every time. It can handle logs up to 701 millimeters in diameter and also offers a generous 643 millimeter cut width, and is designed for larger projects with a rail length of 4.6 meters and a maximum sawing length of 3.8 meters. The perfect dimensions for every small-scale sawyer. Like with all our bandsaw mills, the B701 features the best band wheels in the industry. The patented wheels offer a fan effect that both cools the blade and ejects sawdust, keeping your workspace clean and efficient.
It's going to be very exciting to offer this sawmill to customers around the world. B701 sets a new standard in its class. With Logosol's 5-year warranty and 35 years of experience, there's no reason to hesitate. Contact us, we'd love to tell you more.
When buying from Logosol, you are not just getting a sawmill, it's also an investment in your future projects. With our 5-year warranty, 60-day money-back guarantee, and exceptional resale value, you can trust that your sawmill will stand the test of time. The Logosol B701 is Swedish-made, built to perform, and designed for the long haul.
The B701 is simply the sawmill you have been waiting for. Place your order now and experience the difference.